Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using FlipKey. In this FlipKey booking platform review, I'll share my usage experience and provide an overview of its features. FlipKey is a vacation rental platform offering a diverse selection of properties for travelers worldwide. You'll find links to the platform in the description below, so be sure to check them out if you're planning your next trip. As part of the TripAdvisor family, FlipKey focuses specifically on vacation rentals, presenting a compelling alternative to traditional hotels. The platform boasts a vast inventory of properties, ranging from cozy apartments to luxurious villas, situated in sought-after destinations across the globe. FlipKey caters to a wide spectrum of travelers, whether you're embarking on a family vacation, a romantic getaway, or a solo adventure. One of FlipKey's most impressive features is the level of detail provided in its property listings. Each listing includes high-quality photographs, comprehensive descriptions, and valuable reviews from previous guests, empowering you to make well-informed booking decisions. You can refine your search based on criteria such as location, price, guest capacity, available amenities, and more, ensuring you find the ideal accommodation to meet your specific needs. FlipKey simplifies communication with property owners. Once you've identified a property that piques your interest, you can easily contact the owner to ask questions or confirm essential details before finalizing your booking. The platform also incorporates a secure payment system designed to protect both guests and hosts throughout the transaction process. Another advantage of using FlipKey is its user-friendly interface. Navigating the site is intuitive and the booking process is straightforward, making it a hassle-free experience for travelers. Furthermore, FlipKey's integration with TripAdvisor allows you to access user reviews and recommendations from a trusted source, providing an added layer of confidence when booking your stay. In summary, FlipKey is an excellent choice for travelers seeking vacation rentals through a reliable and easy-to-use platform. Regardless of whether your trip is for leisure or business, FlipKey's extensive selection of properties, secure payment system, and detailed listings make it a compelling option for booking your next accommodation. Be sure to click the links in the description for more information and start planning your next adventure with FlipKey.